Merry Christmas in July. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow, and this is the official kickoff for my Christmas in July 2024. I have a digital kit for you. It is the Mega Christmas Book and Christmas Chest, and it will be available on my Etsy shop and my Ko-fi shop, and the links will be below. My plan is also to have a weekly freebie for you throughout July. So you'll want to stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know when I'm out creating the Bluebird Bungalow. But enough of that. Let's talk about the projects. There are two pieces, the book and the chest, and the parts and pieces are interchangeable. Let's talk about the book first. The book, the size is 6 by 8. You have a little bit of a curved spine, so it will be a bit bigger than that. There is that curved spine. There's your solid inner spine and this curve. You've got your front and back. You've got some cute little brass, in quotes, corners, and a little label. I give you 4 years so you can exchange the years. This is going to be multi-year use. It is a traveler's notebook style, meaning that there are elastics that you will slide your booklets into. You can add pockets and add your calendar. I want this to be very useful to you and to me. You will receive inserts for your booklets that will help you get organized for the big holiday, and you can put this together as you like. All right, that is the book. The chest is assembled quite the same with the cover, and you're going to assemble the spine the same, but this becomes a chest. You've got a cute little key. I think a real key would be fun, but here's this to substitute. So to look at the kit, to look at the chest, pardon me, you'll have this strip that you'll have magnets in to help close it. Again, you'll have that label for the year. You'll have your corners. Now the spine for the book now becomes the bottom of the chest. You'll have this curved chest top and your back, and again, more of the little corners. And inside it is a accordion style chest. I'm losing my words here, guys. With the dividers, and the booklets will slide down into your dividers, and anything else that you need to put in here, an envelope for receipts. The freebies that we're going to be creating are going to be made to fit in here and into the book. So, and then this just flips on over and attaches there. So those are the two projects. Now the kit, you can see there's lots of color, so you're going to want to make sure you're loaded with your ink or toner for your printer. Let me set these aside. I want to show you how you will receive your kit. Because it's so large, and Etsy has a limit, and so does Ko-fi, of a certain size that I can upload for you to download, I had to come up with a different plan. And I was remembering some kits that I had purchased from other creators, and when I opened up my purchase to download my files, this is similar to what I got. And what this is, it's a PDF sheet. You will receive this, and it's got clickable links. You'll click on there and it will take you to my Google Drive where all the files are stored. From there, you'll download them and print them just like you normally would, and they can just reside there, and whenever you need them, you just would click back on that Google Drive link. There's also links for the tutorials for the 2 projects. Now, once you download them, the pieces you're going to see, I'm going to just quickly go over that. You'll have 3 files. One of the files will be, I want to show you these first, will be the inserts for the book. These are just basic organizational sheets that you may or may not want to print. You may have your own idea of what you want. But I've got those. That's in one file. Then all the covers, you're getting a green and a red and a green and a red curved spine. And you'll just decide what you want. There's the closures. There's the inside accessories. And those will be in one of the files. And then there's the papers. You'll have a lining, a green lining, a red lining, you'll have a neutral, and then you'll have all the little booklet sheets in there. You'll also have templates, and this is something I've done in other kits. So for instance, you are doing your book, your chest base, or your book inside spine. I'm having word issues. You would print out what you want, what color you want them, and then once you're done with that, you'll put it back into your computer and you'll print out the spines on the back side of it, and then you're set to go. Same thing with the spines, the curved spines. There's a curved spine piece. You'd print that, put that back in. You see I've already done it. There is my spine template, and then you'd run that through, and then you'll trim that out, and everything will be ready for you to assemble. There is also a template to print on the back side of each of the divider pieces and your cover. And I've given you placement for the little label holder on that front of the cover or on the spine. You can see that's right there. Okay, so there is a lot in this kit. It is loaded, and I'm so excited to bring this to you. So you can download the digital kit from Etsy or from Ko-fi. I'll have those links down below. Well, Merry Christmas. Put your seatbelts on. It's going to be quite a month. And do you have to do it all in July? No. But I'm bringing this out in July, so you'll have a good amount of time to get ready. All right. I will see you again in the 2 videos, for the one for the chest and one for the book. And we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.